Are you finding your beard a little too tangly? Well, here's a trick, the Velcro trick. We're gonna slowly and carefully run our fingers through till we feel a snag and gently pull the beard apart just like Velcro. I like to do this when I wash my beard, when I condition my beard, when I dry my beard after a shower, when I apply oil to my beard, and even when applying beard butter. I notice that when I do this regularly, it really helps alleviate those tangles. I hope this helps. Beard on.